Yeah, I got it. It's in the manifold.
Shit, I just changed that seal. Must have got a crimp in it, damn.
Hey, C's, your boy is here.
He ain't my boy.
Hey, we're almost living a normal life, huh? This is far from Grove Street, right?
Yeah, I know, but I just can't get it out the back of my mind. Moms, sweet, smoke. I just can't let that go.
I know. So what we gonna do about Sweet?
See, it's a shitty situation, but I gotta let it play out a little longer, okay?
Okay, but be careful. We ain't trying to lose you again.
That's right, sis. Good looking out.
Hey, Carl! I got a rap to you, Holmes. I know a guy who knows a guy who handles freight containers down on the docks. He saw one of the containers was loading up cars, and one was a match for a car on a customer's wish list. So he marked the container with a spray can, but it might be too late. The ship's loading and it moves out tomorrow.
Okay, let's go peep it out. See what we can see.
How are we gonna steal a car off a container ship, Holmes?
You know, the same way they got home. Use a dockside crane.
Man, those things are real high up. I ain't too good with ladders and I'm afraid of heights.
Okay, I'll use the crane. You better be ready to crack the container.
That's the ship, CJ.
Okay, I'll go sort out the crane. Give me a second.
Well, be quick. I don't want to be caught slipping out here.
Caesar, none of these is marked with spray paint.
Well, we'll just have to try one at a time, eh? Not this one, CJ! No luck, CJ! Try another! Okay, CJ! This is the one! Good work, Holmes!
Hey! What the fuck do you think you're doing?
CJ! I could do with some help!
You lost the wheel,
right there.
I can do with a little help, CJ!
You want to get
Stay right there, you thieving bastard.
Let's just get the car and get out of here.
Gotta be an easier way to earn a living than this.
Sure, Holmes, I guess. But what else you qualified for?
Yeah, I feel you.
Hey, Holmes, that was fun. We should do that again.
Hello?
You've hung us out to dry, I know it.
Rosenberg?
Yeah, soon to be wearing concrete shoes in a shallow grave in the desert, Rosenberg. I'm surprised you remember.
Look, I ain't forgot y'all, man. Just hang in there.
Easy for you to say. This Salvatore guy might whack me at any moment.
You must work out a lot.
No carrier can defeat Go away. Me.
Forget it. You're doing this to be a professional.
Esa vapolote, esa.
Catalina, is that you again?
¿Me tienes perdida, mija?